Alright guys, back with Andy, doing another epic exploration. Here we are in Northwest Jersey at this abandoned train car restaurant. It's got a piano in here.
Still works.
That's pretty cool. This place is pretty neat, guys. The table set up there. The paint peeling. Some broken dishes. This looks like it was probably really neat at one time.
We got a nice river outside.
That's right, we're right on the river. When people used to eat here, they used to have this river view.
Now you got a reserve card. You got some steak sauce.
There's a room over here. Oh, got some seats here. All right. Oh, this is cool. Themed restaurants are awesome, guys. Wait. Got anything? Oh, it goes down.
Got a fridge.
All right, all right. Andy, look at this. There's some footprints here. Somebody was here recently. All right.
Downstairs over there.
Yeah, there's like footprints over here, dude. Like, I think somebody was here right before us.
That's not good.
No.
I don't want to go that way then.
No, it's not good at all. Wait, there's a downstairs. There's a downstairs behind the fridge?
Yeah.
What? There's an attic here. Oh yeah, this place doesn't look too good, guys. Wow, look at this place. Kitchen area. All right, let's go down the other stairs and loop around because this doesn't look too good in here.
Are you being serious about the footprints?
Yeah, take a look. Some plates.
Yeah, there's a wet footprints.
Yeah. Just somebody, I think, was here pretty recently.
I don't think we can go in that one. It looks like bad goes through the wall.
All right. Pretty bad? Oh,
Very bad.
does this loop us around?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, yeah, it loops us around. Check that door. Oh, man, this place is pretty big, actually.
I don't even think you can open that door.
There's like mattresses in here. Somebody was sleeping at the abandoned train car restaurant, I guess. It's crazy. Oh, it's back here. Bar area. Ooh. Yeah, this floor is not too good, so we're not going to chance it, but this is what it looks like in here. Oh, cool. Look at that. Luckily, nobody else was in here with us.
Oh, look at this.
What?
Country Western dinner dance, buffet served.
That is really cool.
Music by Stampede.
Like always, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, help this channel grow so we keep bringing you these awesome epic videos. Never know what will end up next.